My name is Dr. Paul Schalch Lepe, and I'm a specialist in ears, nose, and throat, also known as otolaryngology. My practice is located in San Diego, and Silenso Clinic is a specialized practice that focuses on nasal breathing, sleep disorders, and snoring as well. But of course, we cover the full gamut of the specialty with particular attention to hearing and ear health as well. Earwax, also known as cerumen, and specifically cerumen impaction, which is when there's an excess of earwax obstructing the ear canal, is a very common complaint. It's a problem that we see very frequently in our patients. Even though earwax or cerumen is a natural mechanism of defense in the ear canal, of course, when it's excessive, it's almost like too much of a good thing. We see a lot of referrals from primary care and also audiology with patients that have cerumen impaction that need to be helped. Oftentimes in a short term, and now that we have OtoSet, we are able to actually accommodate those appointments, help those patients further, and be able to get them back to the primary care doctor or to the audiologist to continue their care in that fashion. The patient experience and feedback that we've obtained from patients so far has been excellent. People are thrilled to experience the device and the ear lavage. They feel it's a comfortable experience. It's almost soothing as well. And it has eliminated some of the discomfort that was associated with just conventional ways of removing cerumen. We have a protocol in place where once we identify a patient that needs it, we just set it up very quickly, very efficiently, and are able to get through the cerumen removal process within only a few minutes. It's proven to be just a great way to help patients with cerumen impaction, and we're very thrilled to be one of the early adopters of this technology.